Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you will be fine. If you are a new member of my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel so that you can get every new videos time to time. Okay, so please like it, subscribe it, and share it. Okay, so in this live session, in this video, we'll discuss about pollination and its types. Class 10 subject science, right? So pollination and its types. What's pollination? Pollination means, simple meanings, transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a carpel is called pollination. Okay, so roughly we can draw the diagram so that you can understand so easily, right? So just where, okay, so just wait a second, then after we will start. Okay, so this is roughly diagram of flower, right? Roughly diagram of flowers in which these are petals. Okay, so we can mention here these are petals, right? This one, this one, this one. So these are petals, and this one green colored part of the flower which hold all the parts, other parts is called sepals. Okay, these are sepals and these are petals, right? And this one is female part called, this one is female part called carpel, or we can say pistil. Okay, carpel, pistil, gynoecium or female part of the flower, and these one are called, this one or male part called stamen. Stamens. Okay, stamen, or we can say androecium or male part. Okay, so here we already discussed about pollination. Pollination means transfer of pollen grains. Where does pollen grains form? In the flowers. So pollen grains are formed inside the pollen sacs, right? Pollen sacs, it means pollen sacs are small pores. Small pores is present in the anther. Okay, this is stamen. Stamen consists of two parts. First one, this part is called anther, and this long cylinder part is called filaments, right? So, and this is female part, right? Female part means we can say female part. Okay, so female part pistil carpel consists of made of three part. Three part. This one part is called stigma. Okay, and this part is called middle part, long slender tube called, we can write here, style. STYLE, style, and this one part is called basal part of the carpel is called ovary. So you can write ovary. Okay, so pollination is transfer of pollen grains which form inside the anther. So transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma. Okay, जैसे pollen grains यहाँ form हुए, so enter to the stigma. So this process is called pollination. Pollination means transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a carpel. So you can write definition: transfer of pollen grains from enter to the stigma of a carpel. So this process is called pollination, right? I think आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. Then after its types. So there are two main types of pollination. Okay, first is self pollination and second one is cross pollination, right? So we can write here. First one is self pollination. Okay, self pollination. Self pollination, that means transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a carpel in a same flower. Okay, or same flower of a means another flower of a same plant. एक ही प्लांट के another flower में ट्रांसफर होना या फिर same flower में ट्रांसफर होना, उसे हम बोलते self pollination, right? Self pollination again we can define as the pollination in which transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a carpel in a same flower of a plant, or we can say other flowers of a same plants. एक प्लांट होना चाहिए, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक पर्टिकुलर प्लांट्स, राइट, इसके पर्टिकुलर फ्लावर, राइट, फ्लावर, इस पर्टिकुलर फ्लावर्स में इस पर्टिकुलर फ्लावर, ओके, बहुत सारे, देयर आर सो मेनी फ्लावर्स इन अ पर्टिकुलर plant. So transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma in a same flower. इस फ्लावर का इसमें ट्रांसफर होना, या फिर ट्रांसफर ऑफ pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a same different flowers of a same plant. तो इसे हम बोलते हैं self pollination. क्या बोलते हैं? self. And second one is cross pollination. Cross pollination. Cross pollination, that means transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a carpel and different plant of same species. Okay, for example, ये mango species है. We have one more. You can write here. Okay. So here a flower and one more here flower, right? So same mango species is mango species. It means transfer of pollen grains from here, from anther to the stigma of a different flowers of same species. इस फ्लावर से सेम स्पीसीज के मैंगो में ट्रांसफर होना यहाँ से यहाँ तक, इसे क्या बोलते हैं? क्रॉस पोलिनेशन. सो वी कैन राइट हियर as a cross pollination. This type pollination is called cross pollination. Okay, and this type is called self pollination. Self pollination. Okay, is it clear to everyone?